In this video, I'm going to show you how to use RankMath in your WordPress website. To use the RankMath plugin, first, we need to download and install it. Open your preferred browser, and in the search bar, type RankMath and hit Enter. Left-click on the RankMath website link. This will take you to the RankMath website. Here, left-click the Download for Free button in the middle of the page to continue. The plugin will start downloading. To install this plugin, log into your WordPress website. In your WordPress website dashboard, in the left navigation bar, look for an option labeled Plugin. Hover over it until you see more options. From the options, left-click Add New Plugins option. This will take you to the Add New Plugins page. Here, left-click the Upload Plugin button and drag and drop the plugin file into the box. Now, left-click Install Now. After a few seconds, left-click Activate Plugin to activate it. It will take you to a new tab. Here, left-click the Connect Your Account button. Now log into your RankMath account using any of these options. On the next page, left-click Activate Now button to activate the plugin. Now, the plugin is activated on your website. On this new page, you need to set up RankMath. Simply left-click the Start Setup button and set up RankMath. Now, RankMath is successfully installed. Now simply return to your dashboard. In your RankMath plugin dashboard, you have all the features. The first feature is Content AI. This feature gives you AI suggestions on your content, such as it fixes spelling errors and enhances your content. Keep this on for SEO purposes. Next, you have 404 Monitor. This feature monitors all 404 errors that any user experiences on your website and fixes it for you. Left-click on the button to turn this feature on. Another very important feature is AMP. This feature allows RankMath to work with accelerated mobile pages on your website and allows it to add tags to the page for boosting SEO automatically. Turn this on as well. Now, in the left navigation bar, you have an option labeled Analytics in RankMath. Left-click on it. Here, you need to connect your Google account. Left-click on the blue button. Here, select your account. Then left-click Continue, and your account will be connected. Here, you have all your analytics data. You can filter this by time period. Simply left-click this box and select the time period. When your website starts getting users, all the data will appear here. On top, you have a Keywords tab. Left-click on it. Here, RankMath will show all the top keywords on your website in multiple positions. On top, you always have Rank Tracker, but this is a premium feature. That's it. RankMath is set up and working.